TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. We have a part-time job in today's video. We have like a freelance 1099 job, and then of course, we have a full-time job that is paying up to $89,000 a year for you to do like customer support, tech support type roles through mainly email and web chat. So we are going to dive all into it. If you're new here, welcome. This channel searches the internet daily, looking for the best remote work from home jobs that are hiring right now, and we share them on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed to have those notifications turned on. And if you ever need additional information like timestamps or links to get to any of the pages I'm sharing, all of that can be found in the YouTube description box below this video. First up, we have Beautylish hiring. Beautylish is a website of cosmetics and beauty products that you can shop from. They have 82 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. And they're looking for a freelance editorial writer. Of course, this is remote for the United States. Now, I'm sharing this one because I seen it's been a while back, but I saw someone leave in the comments that they were looking for writing jobs. So as always, feel free to leave anything you're looking for in the comments. I can never make any promises, but I do my best. If I come across something, I will share it. So they are really looking for somebody who is skilled at putting words together, being a wordsmith, and it has a passion for storytelling, who understands beauty and the Beautylish brand. And so they are just looking for someone who has a general interest in all things beauty, writing, and putting out editorial or information articles and pieces for their website. So you're going to like pitch editorial ideas to the producer. You'll write both short form and long form pieces to be featured on their website, and you'll assist in the creative marketing for these projects. Now, one thing to note about this, they do want somebody who has experience in writing. They're looking for 4 years experience in writing content or marketing content, somebody who is expressed interest or has working knowledge of beauty topics, beauty industry, somebody who conduct research, and of course you've got to have strong writing skills. Now, because this is a 1099 freelance position, they are paying per article that you write. Generally, they pay anywhere from $80 an article up to $150 an article. So short articles get like the $80, and the more longer in-depth articles get the $150. Now, moving right along, next up, March of Dimes is hiring for a part-time position, and they do have a flexible afternoon, evening hours, so that's why I wanted to share. I know a lot of you are looking for something like that. However, I'm not sure why March of Dimes gets such a low employee satisfaction rating. They have 529 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 2.7 out of 5 stars, so they come in right in the middle. Some people love them, some people hate them. But they are looking for a fundraising support specialist. Now, this is going to be fully remote, and this is going to be a temporary position. But they are looking for somebody to help their fundraising support campaign in order to meet their fundraising objectives. So you are going to have to be professional, energetic, and positive, and you are going to be doing like customer support. You're going to be making outbound phone calls, reaching out through telephone and email to people who have done fundraising or have donated to March of Dimes in the past. You're going to present the March of Dimes information, so different events, campaigns, and missions for their March of Babies participants across the country, sharing with them different fundraising tips or ideas to provide March of Dimes partners that you're calling and emailing ideas for them to help in the fundraising. So of course, you're going to enter information into the computer system, tracking all of this call and email information as you go. Now, as far as what they're looking for, you do have to have a reliable phone to make phone calls and a computer to be able to watch their online training videos and send follow-up email communications. It does say the hours are flexible in the afternoon and evenings, and this is part-time. They're looking for somebody to work 20 hours a week that has great communication and customer service skills. Now, sadly, this one did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Next up, we have the company Drata hiring. Drata has 111 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a remote technical support representative. Now, even though they're hiring a remote throughout the United States, they're really looking for somebody to work 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in that Pacific Standard Time Zone. So if you're outside of that time zone, please convert your hours to see if that works for you. But they're looking for somebody to learn their product services and become a technical product knowledge expert on their platforms, product services with guidance from their senior team members. So you'll be giving this tech support through website, live chat, and email, mainly with some video mixed in as needed. So maybe someone is not understanding your written instructions through the live chat or the email. You might have to either hop on like a video call, Zoom call with them, or like make a video and email it to them, explaining the instructions, trying to help them with the tech support. Now, some things you might help them with are like the user's cloud infrastructure, different version controls, endpoints with their environment. So you are providing customer service to a wide range of different customers, including small businesses and then also big businesses, big enterprises, as well as like education or schools. Now, this position does not require any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years of experience working in some kind of a tech support role, somebody who has clear communication skills, and somebody who has basic cloud knowledge. Other than that, they're really looking for somebody who is willing to dig deep, research, learn more about complex skills and issues. So somebody who doesn't mind kind of being self-taught, trying to find the resolutions to those issues. Of course, you've got to be a multitasker. Now, pay for this position is highly dependent on where you are, your location. Experience does play into that a little bit. They have the United States broken down into 3 tiers, and they have a link here that you can see what state your tier is in. But the lowest pay for this position is $58,523 a year and can go up to $89,250 a year. Keeping it moving though, next up we have Cigna hiring. Cigna, the insurance company, they also go by the name the Cigna Group, the big insurance group. They have 6,600 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a prior authorization representative for their pharmacy department. Again, this is remote for the United States. One thing to note about this position is the training hours are going to be different from the actual shift they want you to work. Training is going to take place 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, and that's the first 4 to 5 weeks. After that, they're looking for somebody to be flexible in the hours. You can work between 11 a.m. and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They want somebody who can be flexible and work different shifts. Of course, it is Monday through Friday, so no weekends are going to be needed, but you are going to have to be on the phone with this one. So prior authorization is when insurance companies require providers to call in, send medical records, and let them know before a patient is seen or before certain services are rendered to a patient that that's going to happen. And the insurance company goes ahead and says, yes, we agree to pay for this, or no, we are not going to pay for this. And with Cigna being an insurance company, they are getting those medical records and calls and all from providers asking for people that they are seeing that have Cigna insurance for Cigna to go ahead and okay or pre-approve a service to be provided to the patient before it happens. So you're going to answer phone calls from patients or doctors and also pharmacies like CVS and things like that, taking up to like 50 calls a day. So these are going to be back-to-back calls, taking all this information down for these pre-approval, prior authorization cases. So you're resolving the complaints, questions, inquiries. So you just need problem-solving skills. Other than that, they only require a high school diploma and 1 year of customer service experience. Now, you have to have strong communication skills and somebody who can remain calm in difficult situations. Pay for this one is anywhere from $17 an hour up to $25 an hour. And last but not least, we have National Indemnity Company, insurance company. They're also associated with Berkshire Hathaway, which is one of Warren Buffett's companies. They have 148 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a claims coordinator. And if you go down to the bottom of this page about under the About Us, they are associated again with Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. His companies own more than investments. They own insurance companies and different things like that. But they are really looking for somebody to assign and track all of their insurance claims, setting up or provisioning new users in their system, as well as updating different users' profiles as requested. You're going to add and track financial authority for those users, creating payment requests, tracking payments, electronic documenting, filing. You'll have to send out email distribution, all of the things that are related to coordinating the claims and claims department. Now, they do prefer a college degree. It's not required. It does say it's preferred, though, in at least 2 years of office experience. Other than that, you've got to have advanced skills using spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel, where you can do like pivot tables, manipulate the data, make different formulas, all of that. You've got to be self-motivated, have great communication skills, and somebody who is analytical. Now, pay for this one is literally all the way down at the bottom. Pay is anywhere from $50,000 a year up to $60,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family. I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend ahead, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.